A long, long time gone by. Village days, Jenny tree days, picnic laughter in the pasture. And every time we see him coming, we start up the teasing again.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun sweet, sweet, sweet.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun sweet, sweet, sweet. Open at the ginep tree, calling out so merrily.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Blackbird up on the branch top high, watching all the people passing by. Hop and skip and cocking mate, calling sweet from overhead. Cross garden the young one there, anybody pass, he's showing no fear. Managing hill shed when the breeze blow light, he's singing soft till the fall of night.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun sweet, sweet, sweet.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun sweet, sweet, sweet. Morning sun or evening gray, still we hear the blackbird play.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
old man memory. There was an old man from the nearby lane, long grey beard and a cap on the brain, short natty hair and the water boots, 3/4 pants by the pasture roots. When we was children, small and wild, teasing everything with a village smile. Soon as we see him coming through, we
Hello,
call
what did blackbird say? We cry.
and he never let the answer.
Pass by.
He look at we and shake his head. Then this is what the old man said.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
TunTun sweet, sweet, sweet.
TunTun sweet, sweet, sweet. Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun sweet, sweet, sweet. Old place laugh and old place ring at the little teasing song we sing.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
village nostalgia, pasture land and barefoot days, sun cut out through the dusty haze. No big care and no big plan, just laughter following every man. So long, but I still can hear that same old sound in me memory clear. Blackbird call and children reply, old time joy that will never die. Now the years roll on and the faces change, some gone far and some grow strange. But deep inside when the breeze pass through, I still hear them old notes true. From the ginep tree to the village road, simple joy was the richest load. Not money, not fame, not big display, just hello what the blackbird say.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun sweet, sweet, sweet.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun sweet, sweet, sweet. From the old time village memory to the roots of we identity.
Hello, what did blackbird say?
TunTun sweet.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. TunTun sweet.
Sweet, sweet.
TunTun sweet.
Blackbird calling sunrise. Bird them calling through the skies. Guinea tree alive with song. Sweetest rhythm all around. Mangina leaves them sway. Nature singing night and day. Before the traffic, before the noise, was just we laughter, girls and boys. If you hear it say, hey, sing it loud today. Hey, from the hills to the bay. Everybody say, hey. Hello what the blackbird say. Oh, oh, oh. TunTun, sweet, sweet, sweet. Hey, up in the ginip tree, making old time memories sweet. Hey, there was a man we used to see, walking slow, cross pasture free. Grey beard long, cap on it, water boots and steps well spread. When we spot him we attack, laughing loud and calling back. Hey, hello what the blackbird say. He answers sweet without delay. Hello what the blackbird say. Hey, TunTun, sweet, sweet, sweet. Hello, hello. Hello what the blackbird say. Hey, oh, TunTun, sweet, sweet, sweet. Hey, hello. Hey, barefoot running through the land, dust and sunlight hand in hand. No phone, no stress, just vibes, simple days, real good lives. Now we grown but still we know where them sweet memories grow. Every time that bird them call, take we back and hold we are. Old time never fade away, still alive in we today. Every laugh and every sound still a echo all around. This no just a story told. This is roots, this is gold. From the past into the north, hear the blackbird show you how. Hey! Hello, what the blackbird say. Oh, oh, oh. TunTun, sweet, sweet, sweet. Hey!